Blue smoke from your exhaust? That's not just a puff of drama. It's your car screaming for help, and if you ignore it, you could be heading straight toward a costly engine rebuild. And welcome back to Auto Repair, Automobile Wrench, where we help you take control of your car's health and keep more money in your pocket, where it belongs. Today, we're diving into why your exhaust is blowing blue smoke, what it really means, what causes it, and how you can fix it before it drains your wallet. Stick with me because the last cause we cover, it's one almost everyone overlooks, and it could save you hundreds. Blue smoke is not just something old cars do. It's your engine literally burning oil. That's like your car slowly bleeding out, and you're paying the price. Let's break down the top reasons behind that blue smoke and what you can do about them. 1. Burning oil. This is the most common cause. When engine oil sneaks into the combustion chamber and burns, you get that telltale blue smoke. Think of it as your engine turning oil into firewood, not ideal. This usually happens because of worn piston rings, valve seals, or damaged cylinder walls. And that's where we're going next. 2. Worn piston rings. Piston rings seal the space between your pistons and cylinder walls. If they're worn out, oil slips past them into the combustion chamber, and boom, blue smoke. 3. Worn valve seals. Valve seals keep oil out of the combustion chamber. When they go bad, it's like opening a door you were supposed to keep locked. Oil sneaks in and burns off, especially during acceleration. 4. Stuck PCV valve. This tiny valve helps release pressure from the crankcase. But if it's stuck, that pressure builds up, oil mixes with air, and gets sucked back into your intake. Result? More blue smoke. Small part, big consequences. 5. Turbocharger problems. Got a turbo engine? If the turbo seals or bearings fail, oil can be forced straight into the exhaust. That's not boost, that's a breakdown waiting to happen. But here's the real question. How do you fix it? And how do you prevent it from happening again? We're covering that in our next video. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join a growing community of smart, confident drivers taking control of their car's health and their finances. Because here at Auto Repair, Automobile Wrench, we don't just fix cars, we build freedom behind the wheel.